Sean Krisanski. I'm a PhD student at the University of Tasmania. I'm working on developing unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, for mapping the forest beneath the forest canopy. They were originally developed for flying underground in mines, where it was too unsafe to send humans due to risk of collapse. So it was originally designed to be fully 3D printed, and we still continue that because if we crash we can very easily replace parts. We can also make changes in a few hours and print out parts in the same day. So it's a very convenient method to build the drone. The drone itself, it's designed to capture information similar to how our brains perceive the world. So it uses what's called stereo vision. So it perceives the world with two cameras, so if you can think of them like our eyes, we can triangulate distance quite easily as humans. It's basically doing that to build a 3D model of the environment. And being quite a high resolution camera, from that you can then create a very high resolution 3D model of forests, which is what we're actually applying it for. Traditionally you'd have to go in manually on foot to actually measure all of these trees, except with this system you can fly directly above all of the undergrowth, so you don't have to bash through cutting grass or blackberry bushes to actually go and measure the trees. In addition to that, you can collect measurements in about 15 minutes, which can give you a lot more information than you can collect traditionally through manual techniques in a few hours worth of work. Our theme is basically looking at the supply chain in the whole. So mine is quite early in the supply chain, so looking at forest inventory, so being able to find out information about the forest itself.